good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Adam, a personal English teacher. So, dear viewers across the globe, today my radar has captured 5 advanced words which will help you to expand your vocabulary and also help you to bring your fluency. Dear viewers, before getting in a video, I would like to tell you something special is that always take a hard choices. As I read a book named Tribe of Mentors, in this book I am very impressed from this quote. It is hard choices, easy life, easy choices, hard life. That means from today if you start learning advanced words, your English will be boosted up. And if you don't learn advanced words, then your English will be poor and no one can understand you. Dear viewers, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. And if there is any question running in your mind, feel free to comment it below. Okay, dear viewers, let's get started. So now let's start with our first advanced word. It is to slurp. To slurp. To slurp means to drink noisily. To drink noisily. To drink noisily. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of the slurp. She slurped our coffee. She slurped our coffee. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is to down. To down. To down means to drink something all at once. To drink something all at once. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to down. You might drink a glass of mango juice down in one. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is to nibble. To nibble. To nibble means to take a small bite of food. To take a small bite of food. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to nibble. He nibbled a biscuit. He nibbled a biscuit. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is to swagger. To swagger. To swagger. To swagger means to walk or behave in a very confident way. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to swagger. He swaggered along the corridor. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is to whisper. To whisper. To whisper means to speak very quietly in somebody's ears. To speak very quietly in somebody's ears. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to whisper. Mr. Kamran was whispering in Mr. Wahid's ears about Mr. Abed. Perform after me. Great job! So finally we have finished our fast advanced words. Okay, dear words. Now let me take small tongue twister that your tongue will be twisted and polished. Then you'll be able to talk with your friends in a clear way. Okay, dear words. Let's get started. So the tongue twister is red blood, blue blood, red blood, blue blood, red blood, blue blood, red blood, blue blood, red blood, blue blood. Perform for me. Great job. Okay, now let me try more fast. Red blood, blue blood, 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 red blood, blue blood. Such a difficult tongue twister for me. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, dear viewers, that's it for today. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. And if there is any question running in your mind, feel free to comment it below. Okay, dear viewers. Now see you in the next video. Goodbye.